The crimes we are dealing with in this scam are universally agreed to be grim and that pose a grave danger to international stability and economic progress to the whole world. The money raised from international investors with very noble intentions has not ended up in the right accounts for the intended purposes, which raises the specter of a classic international money laundering scheme. In fact, today, we are questioning whether this money ever came to Kenya at all. I wish to give you just a bit of history of this saga. The Eurobond saga was preceded with much drama. It began in May 2014 with the President Uhuru Kenyatta ordering the payment of debts owed to companies in the Anglo listing scam that was pulled on Kenyans many years earlier. We were told payment of those debts would pave way for Kenya to borrow from the international markets. But let me just summarize the history. Remember, the government told Kenyans that they were going out to the international financial market to borrow so that they could not compete, or they should not compete with the private sector in the domestic market. And that would have the effect of lowering interest rates and therefore generating growth in the country. Once that was done, you remember there was a big press conference held at State House where this matter was announced. Initially, a consulting company was appointed, Diane Blair, whose representative, one Mr. Jim Nambaru, went then to London to recruit the transaction advisors. There in London, they competitively recruited 3 companies. One, JP Morgan, number 2, Barclays Bank, number 3, Standard Chartered Bank.